We're back now to give you the legal edge, and joining us as always is Bryan Waldman from the Sinas Dramis Law Firm. Changes to the laws that apply when drivers pass police or other emergency vehicles that are stopped on the side of Michigan's roads take effect tomorrow. So first, Bryan, what does the law currently require drivers to do?
Currently, we have a law in Michigan that says that if you see an emergency vehicle stopped on the side of the road, that you have an obligation to use caution and yield the right of way to that emergency vehicle. Additionally, if there's more than 2 lanes of travel or 2 or more lanes of travel heading in the same direction, a motorist who sees an emergency vehicle has to move over, get in the lane furthest away, at least 1 lane away from that emergency vehicle.
Okay, well, how will the laws change come tomorrow?
Essentially, there's going to be 3 changes in the law. The big one is that motorists, in addition to doing all the things we just talked about, have to slow down so that they're traveling at least 10 miles per hour below the posted speed limit.
Okay.
That's the first. The second change is there's an ambiguity that's been clarified so that if there's not a police vehicle but more of a maintenance vehicle or a snowplow or something that's stopped in a grass or dirt median crossing the road, you don't have to necessarily follow this law, slow down to 10 miles per hour, move over a lane in those situations.
Okay.
And then the third change, Siobhan, actually in certain instances the penalties for violating the law are going to be reduced.
Really?
Yes.
Lowering penalties. Explain, how does that work?
So what happened is the law as it is right now is written so that it's a crime, it's a misdemeanor for any violation, even if there's no collision, no injury, and that's unique. In most cases, a violation or a moving violation while driving, violation of the motor vehicle code, is considered a civil infraction and punishable by a fairly minor fine. This law, as it's currently written, makes it a misdemeanor simply to violate the law at all with a pretty harsh fine and potential jail time. So this brings it more in line with other civil infractions.
Okay, and then what if someone is injured or killed?
If someone's injured or killed, the penalties remain the same, and the penalties are serious. It's a felony if you violate this law, don't yield the right of way, don't move over, and the penalties are very harsh, just like for most felonies.
Okay, all right, Bryan, thank you so much, as always, for giving us the legal edge.
Thank you.